Root canal treatment is a common dental procedure that is done to save a tooth that is infected or has severe decay. It involves removing the infected pulp inside the tooth and sealing it to prevent further infection. This procedure can be quite costly, especially in countries like Europe. In this video, we will compare the cost of root canal treatment between Europe and Turkey. Cost of root canal treatment in Europe. The cost of root canal treatment in Europe can vary greatly depending on the country and the complexity of the procedure. On average, the cost can range from $300 to $2,000 per tooth. The cost is higher in countries like Germany, France, and the UK, where the cost of living is higher. In addition, dental procedures are generally more expensive in these countries due to the high quality of care and advanced technology used. Cost of root canal treatment in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for medical tourism, including dental procedures. The cost of root canal treatment in Turkey is significantly lower compared to Europe. On average, the cost can range from $50 to $500 per tooth. This cost difference is due to the lower cost of living in Turkey and the competitive nature of the medical tourism industry. Factors to consider. When considering getting root canal treatment in Europe or Turkey, there are several factors to consider. The first factor is the quality of care. While the cost of treatment may be lower in Turkey, it is important to ensure that the dentist performing the procedure is qualified and experienced. It is recommended to do thorough research on the dental clinic and read reviews from previous patients. Another factor to consider is the travel expenses. While the cost of treatment may be lower in Turkey, the cost of travel and accommodation must also be taken into account. It is important to factor in these additional expenses when comparing the overall cost of treatment. Lastly, it is important to consider the technology and materials used in the procedure. While dental technology in Turkey may be advanced, it is important to ensure that the materials used meet international standards. It is recommended to ask the dentist about the materials used and the procedures followed to ensure a safe and successful treatment. In conclusion, the cost of root canal treatment in Europe is significantly higher compared to Turkey. While the cost may be a factor in choosing where to get the treatment, it is important to consider other factors such as the quality of care, travel expenses, and materials used. It is recommended to do thorough research and consult with a qualified dentist before making a decision. Ultimately, the goal is to receive high-quality care at an affordable price.